Like I told you all, part 2. Flipped screen. Now I can actually see what in the world I'm doing here now. You guys see. Let me go get the random chopper. The last video, we did check the gas. So yeah, that's all cleared. Let's start this thing up. Well, let's try. Let's try this thing, man. Here we go. Ooh, you heard that. It was like, you heard that. Wait, let's try it again. Wow, guys. The rainbow chopper starts after like 3 months. No, wait. After 2 months, bro, of this thing not starting, it finally starts. Oh my gosh, bro. Wait, we gotta try that again, bro. Now, let's start mowing the lawn. See how good this thing cuts. Ew. Shit. One pull, bro. Let's go, bro. Ew. Wait, that's pristine, bro. Wait, that's a clean cut. Let's do it again. Alright, guys. Let's keep doing this. See if we can make a whole pack, bro. Or let's do it. Oh my god. Oh my. Yo. Wait. We just blew the engine out. No way. We just blew the literal engine. We just literally blew the engine out. Wait, let's see if it starts. Oh, it doesn't even. Oh. Bro, it doesn't even start. Oh no! We absolutely destroyed it. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix this now. Let's see this. Bro. Try to see the crowd, bro. Let's go bring this thing over here. Go investigate what in the world I hit. Go see how I blew the engine out, or whatever happened. Right here is where the engine blew. Oh, wait, I believe there's something under it. Yo, I'm gonna try to pull this thing out. Oh, there's 2 things. Yo! There's a stick under there. We found the problem, guys. This was under there.
Hey, bud.
What?
Let's get medicine real quick.
No, I'm not ready.
Jimmy, it's 2 seconds.
5 minutes, please.
5 minutes from coming in, right?
Yeah. Oh, wait. It's not them. They really didn't seriously blow the engine out. Let's see if that was these. Alright, let's try it. Let's do this thing, man. Oh, yeah, bro. Here we go. Oh. Dude. Still no pull. Still no start. One more time. Dude, we actually did blow the engine out, bro. No, wait. We actually destroyed the engine. It's not even starting, guys. Watch. Make sure we don't run into that thing. It landed in the pond! Alright. Let's keep on mowing this lawn. I actually got some tall grass. Guys, look. Take a look at this. Look. See? This is our trapper here. And look. Look how tall the grass is right here. So, yeah. We're going to try to make it short like it did earlier. See? Nice. Alright, let's do it again. Let's start this bad boy. We almost blew the engine out though. That's fine. As long as we did. Because then this would have been a garbage save. But we would have tried, but let's go again. Bro. Bro, it's not starting. Maybe it's gas. Blew the engine again, bro. I know it's a stick now. Now we all know it sticks. This time it's gonna be gone. I'm not being cold. This is like, oh, there's rocks. Wait, we have to get like a smooth cut? Ugh, those centipedes under there. Where are those rocks? Alright. For real, let's just mow this one. Ow. Oh, this part is mine. Move. Ugh.
Daddy.
Why? Alright, then could I stay out here more? Because I'm recording. I almost blew the engine out of my lawnmower. I almost blew it out. Okay. Alright, let me know when dinner's ready. Because this thing, I saved it from the scrapyard. The rainbow chopper. I almost blew the engine out, Daddy. Alright. Okay, guys. Preview complete. Or whatever you call pause video. Alright. What the heck? We'll start. Oh, yeah. Oh! 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 What happened? Oh! Wait, what happened? Wait! Whoa! Do you see what's under there? Do you see anything? Wait, what? Wait. Hold on. Wait, I gotta hear that. Wait, do you hear that? Wait, what?
Don't have to think, bad boy. You say no.
Nothing for this bad boy. Got more here. Can't see that, but. Eating a corn. It's like having the worst food of all time. What was that? do it again. Huh?
Once it's fast, you can do something crazy like this.
That's called start stalling the engine. Here, I'll show you how it works. Put y'all up there. Do you guys see the mower? Oh yeah. See one now? Alright guys, show you now how to do this trick. How to start and stall the engine. First, full stream. Now start the lawnmower.
Now, look. Let it go a little bit. A little trigger.
Let's do it again.
Alright. Stop doing that. Let it run now. keep grabbing it a little bit. I think that did it. Check the gas mask. Especially the engine feels a little hot. Oh, it definitely drained. Oh, I just love the smell of gas. Alright, we're just gonna let it sit here for a little bit. So it can cool off a little bit. Alright, let's take my car inside. I'm going inside now. Okay guys, I'm going inside. Also, I packed the palm filter away, as you see. Filter gone because it's actually inside my closet. You might be wondering where it is. It's next thing here. You guys look. Look at that. All the palm stuff is in there. So guys, like and subscribe. Peace out.